Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you 3 ways to grow turmeric easily at home. So these are some of the leftover turmeric that I found in my kitchen the other day. They may look dry and moldy, but as long as they have healthy eyes on them, they will sprout without any problem. So the first way to grow a turmeric plant is to plant the rhizome directly into the seed starting soil. If you have a shorter growing season, I would suggest to start your rhizome about the same time you start your pepper plant, which is about 12 weeks before your last frost date. If your growing season is longer, you can plant your rhizome directly in your garden. You can plant your rhizome vertically or horizontally as long as the healthy eyes is facing up. You can also cut the rhizome into a smaller pieces if you prefer. Make sure there's a healthy eyes on each of the pieces as I'm showing here. Press the rhizome into the soil and cover them with some soil. Water the soil to activate the sprouting process. So here are the setup that I use to encourage the rhizome to sprout. The grow light is turned on for 12 hours. I put the humidity dome all the time until I see some sprout appear, and I turn on the heat mat all the time. About 10 days later, the first sprout appear, and a few days after that, the second and third sprout start to show as well. So this is how they look today. I will give you an update on how they're doing in the next video. The second way to start turmeric rhizome without all the hassle as the first one is to fill a Ziploc bag with some moist seed starting soil. Put the rhizome in and make sure they are all covered. Put the Ziploc bag in a warm place. This is the one that I just leave it be and almost forget about it. I didn't even water them the whole time. 3 months later, I found the Ziploc bag and saw the green sprout trying to get out of the bag. So if you want a hassle-free way to start your turmeric, you can use this method, but remember not to forget about them like I almost did. I also did somehow sneak in a piece of ginger in this Ziploc bag, and the ginger is also doing good in there. I immediately plant all the rhizome into the pots and transplant them a few weeks later in the garden. The third way to start the turmeric rhizome is by using the paper towel method. I have shared this same technique in the previous video when I grow my ginger. I will put the video link in the description box below for a complete instruction. Now, if you are concerned about the moldy looking rhizome as the one I show you here, you can trim it off. It will not hurt the rhizome. Just be sure not to cut the healthy eyes off. So this is the rhizome that I will put in this container for this paper towel method. This paper towel method took about 10 days as well for it to start sprouting and rooting. So that's my sharing for you today. I hope it will be beneficial for your garden need. If you like the content of our channel, consider subscribing to our channel. And I see you next time. Happy gardening!